Here's how you can fix Apple Cache ID verification. If Apple Cache is asking you to verify your identity, open the Wallet app, tap Apple Cache, then tap the More button and select Card Details. Scroll down and choose Verify Identity. Before you begin, make sure your billing address is correct and matches your current legal address. Then scroll back up and tap Verify. Here, enter your full legal name, address, date of birth, and the requested identification information exactly as it appears on your official records. Follow the prompts to complete the verification. If your information matches, Apple Cache will verify your identity and you'll be able to continue using all supported Apple Cache features. If the verification fails, first double check that your name, address, and other details were entered correctly. Even a small mismatch can cause the verification to be rejected. If you're under 18, you'll need to use Apple Cache Family, which must be set up by a parent or a guardian. After your identity is successfully verified, you'll have full access to eligible Apple Cache features without further verification prompts. That's all for this video. Thanks.